agriculture at international platform. How can ITC bring the gender gap in agriculture knowledge, access, and equip women farmer at local as well as at international level related to specific resources in their local languages, so that they can their power, their strength can be seen at international platform?
Thanks for the question, and it's a very important question in today's era. We all are talking about use of ICT in agriculture, but there is a major digital divide that exists currently. The kind of resources available with women, especially women farmer, are much less than what male farmers have access to. Whether it is ICT devices like mobiles, tab, internet, etc., or the information that is flowing through those devices to the women farmer. If you look at the languages, if it's in English, we see that the literacy rate of women in India is much lesser than the male farmers, so they can't access those. I think the major breakthrough will come when we'll become more inclusive. And when I say more inclusive, I would like to say it has to be a multi-sectoral approach, reaching out to these women farmer with better ICT devices, giving them access, financial liberty to own those devices, access to internet, right? Making it more accessible to these women farmer, and then making the information that is flowing through these devices more context specific to them. We need to identify which are the production lines where women are involved. Most of the women, they work like, not they're not plowing the field, right? What they're doing is they are doing post harvest work. But what we need is that where identify where women can contribute. They can contribute in making better decisions when they are equipped with improved knowledge, right? So bringing that context specific knowledge in the language that they can understand through a platform which they can easily access, whether it is YouTube, whether it is social media, WhatsApp, whether these are apps which have been developed to specifically cater to these women, and then building their capacity on using these devices, using these platforms, uh, will be a key step to be more inclusive and empowering women through use of ICT.
Thank you so much.